I stumbled across this free book at the library, How to Be Famous. Of course, I grabbed it and rushed home to uncover the secrets that would lie within the pages. But to my utter dismay, it was a fiction book. All fake. So I instantly turned to Chat GPT for some real answers on how to get famous. It shared with me the pros and cons of being famous. I was really shocked to find that the only real pro I liked about being famous was the money. There really were a lot of cons. I found out that leaving the house can be a challenge. Just look at Jack Nicholson. He can't even enjoy his balcony without the paparazzi posting him all over the internet. I also learned that you don't need looks to be famous. Look at DeVito and Ramsey. Proof that entertainment outweighs appearances. Remember, follow your passion, share it with the world, and fame will follow naturally. So here's some fun homework for you. Take the free personality quiz at 16personalities.com to delve into who you are and what you were born to do. Let's embark on this journey to fame together. Keep chasing your dreams, and I'll see you for episode 2.